Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So today I would like to explain about my topic entitled National Education System Management Standard. But before I started, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kadek Beriandika and I'm from UHN Igusti Bagus Griwa Denpasar and I'm choosing English Education Department. Let me just start it. So our topic today is National Education System Management Standards. First part is understanding management standards. What is management standards? Management standards are one of the national education standards that regulate the planning, implementation, and supervision of educational activities ranging from the level of educational units to the national, so that the efficiency and effectiveness of education organized can be achieved. Second part is function. What is the function from the management standards? First is as a refer as a reference to manage the education system at the school level, both in terms of curriculum, student infrastructure, financing, and so on. Second is facilitate school in developing annual work plans. The third, as a guideline for all of the school citizens in carrying out their duties and responsibilities. And also the purpose of management standards. As one of the national education standards, management standards aim to direct schools to have effective, efficient, accountable, and systematic governance to support teaching and learning activities in them. The third part is field. Field separate to three kinds. The first one is program planning. Program planning of educational units can be outlined into the form of school or madrasah vision or school mission and also objectives and work plan. The second is implementation of work plan. The implementation of the work plan is divided into several parts such as guidelines, organizational structure, implementation of activities, student affairs, and the others. About implementation work plan, first is guidelines. Educational unit level curriculum or KTSP, educational academic calendar, organizational structure, division of duties among teachers, division of tasks among education personnel, and also academic rules. Number two is organizational structure. The school's organizational structure consists of leaders, educators, and education personnel. All of these positions have their own duties and authorities. The number three is implementation of activities. The party responsible for the implementation of management in the school environment is the principal. Every activity in the school is carried out based on the agenda of the annual work plan. Number four is student affairs. The acceptance of learners is carried out in a transparent, objective, accountable, without discrimination, and adjust to the quota or capacity of the school. Number five, curriculum field. educational calendar, learning program, assessment of learners, learning outcomes, and last is academic rules. Field of educators and also education personnel. Develop education develop educator and educational personnel utilization programs. Appoint educators and additional education personnel implemented on the provision based on the provisions set by the school organized. Next is field of facilities and infrastructure. The acceptance of learners in carried out in a transparent, objective, accountable, and also without discrimination and adjusted to the capacity of the school. Finance and financing. Develop investment and operational cost management guidelines that refer to financing standards. The last is culture and environment. The producer of the procedure of learning in the school environment just run into a conducive and efficient manner. The party responsibility for creating the climate and atmosphere is the school. The third part of fi- the third part of management standard is supervision and evaluation. Supervision can be interpreted as a process of monitoring activities to ensure that all organizational activities are carried out as planned, as planned, and at the same time are activities to correct if irregularities are found that will interfere with the achievement of goals. So that's all about my topic today. Thank you so much for your kind attention. I will close this video with Paramo Santi. Om Santi 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 Om.